Let me show you how I make pasta cucozz. In our family in Naples, pasta cucozz just translates to pasta with pumpkin. Now I'm using a fresh sugar pumpkin here because on this particular day I was able to find some at a really good deal, which is my favorite edible pumpkin, but butternut squash is what I use 99% of the time. And since it is a squash, I feel just as well telling you it works literally exactly the same. I went ahead and sliced my pumpkin and I just diced it, and because it's such a huge one, I popped it into the freezer, and then I just made this particular dish a couple days later, and it works so well. So if you can find this pumpkin on sale, stock up, dice it up, pop it in the freezer, and then you have it ready. Take a small little Dutch oven with extra virgin olive oil, a little garlic, and some cherry tomatoes, although like a Roma tomato diced up works just as well. A few sprigs of parsley, and then you're just gonna saute this for just a couple of minutes. Now because my pumpkin was in fact in the freezer, I just took it out to let it defrost a little bit, and then I went ahead and added it to the pot. Make sure you give everything a really good stir, give it a nice little mix, and go ahead and add your water. You'll be tempted to add stock here, but don't, because the water allows that pumpkin, the tomato, the oil, all those flavors to really shine, and you're just gonna let this simmer on low until the pumpkin's super tender. This is pasta miscado or pasta mista, which are just teeny tiny pieces of leftover bits and pieces of different pasta shapes added together to make this particular mix. The only thing that matters is that your pastas all have the same cooking time, but you can of course just use ditalini instead, and it works perfect. Add it in, give it a stir, make sure you're seasoning this well with some salt and pepper, and then when you go to serve it, you're going to top it with lots of freshly cracked pepper and some freshly grated parm. It is such a childhood staple. This is how I always ate pumpkin growing up. I actually didn't even know you could eat it in a sweet way. This was always on the table no matter what time of the year, and we just loved it. Recipes in the caption. I hope that you love it. I hope that you make it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.